Messed up your controller settings in Fortnite? No problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly where to go to reset all your controller settings, sensitivity, and even your dead zone to their default values. First, you need to get to the main settings menu in Fortnite. From the main menu, find and select the gear icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, navigate to the controller icon tab. This is your wireless controller. You'll see a list of different controller settings categories like wireless controller, input, and HUD. Actually, there is not a single reset all button. Instead, you'll reset each category one by one. After each reset, make sure to press the apply button to save your changes. Resetting your advanced settings can also fix issues like stick drift. Scroll down in the controller settings to the sensitivity and dead zone sections. You'll see a reset button for both look sensitivity and dead zone. Tap these to return them to their default values. Make sure to press apply to save. That's it. Your controller settings are now back to the default values, and you can customize them again from scratch.